Hi, I'm Neha Gupta and I'm an image consultant and a stylist. I have been in this profession for over a decade and I'm a certified image consultant from the London Image Institute and ICPI. I have worked pan India and also Dubai. So today we have with us Priyanka Kumar, who's the Director Head of the London Image Institute, India. It's a pleasure to have you here.
A pleasure is all mine. Lovely to see you after a long time.
Yes, we've known each other for 7-8 years now. So just for our viewer, could you talk a little bit about yourself?
I am Priyanka Kumar. I represent the London Image Institute as the director in India. I have been in the industry of image consulting for almost over a decade and a half and associated with London Image Institute since 2005, so almost 9, touching 10 years now. And it's a pleasure to work with Lynn Marks, who's the founder of London Image Institute. So I train globally people who are interested in becoming image consultants, stylists. So I train them, and my expertise is on color and style, of course. Other than that, prior to that, I was in the corporate world. I was heading HR for a German company in India. And before that, I was with the airlines. So I was the head of Virgin Atlantic Airways, crew-based manager, as they call it. And prior to that, K&M Royal Dutch Airlines. So I was 14 years with airlines, then corporate world, and then a natural progression into image consulting. So that's about who I am, and educationally, I'm a master's in English literature, graduated in child welfare. That's my specialization. So psychology of children, that's what I expertise.
Wow, that's really amazing. Right. So Priyanka, tell us, what are your challenges when clients come to you and they're seeking for something like image consulting, image management? What are the challenges they face and what do you recommend?
Okay, so let me go a little stepwise, and to simplify it, I think the 4 or 5 major challenges that which people come to me with, and I'm sure you've experienced that too, is the first is that I've got a wardrobe full of clothes, right, but I don't have anything to wear.
Yeah, that's a common problem.
That's a common problem. Second one is that many people live in my cupboard. Not being able to identify a particular style or not being one person, consistent in your personality, to say. So who am I really? And clothes do dictate who you are.
Right, absolutely.
So that's the second one. The third one is that over time, people may be changing in their profession with the age. So is the style story changing? And that has to do with a lot of things. So that's color, that's fit, that is, building your wardrobe, a lot of aspects to it. And the fourth is that I end up splurging too much money, time, energy, and space, which can easily be adjusted with. So I think if I break it down, these are the 4 major challenges that people come.
So as we are coming up with this style clinic where we are working on the personal style of individual, so who do you think needs to do this kind of a program?
So I'd invite, and I think people who would benefit from this, who will add a lot of value to their lives with this program, is actually, firstly, anybody who wears clothes. So anybody who wears clothes and has a wardrobe should come for this.
Right.
To answer it on a more serious note, I think entrepreneurs, people who are careful about their brand image and associated with their product. So to know their personal style, their brand value, and how to be able to communicate this through clothes. So entrepreneurs, I would say also existing image consultants and stylists, those who've learned a lot about it, but they need enhancement with their own representation, their brand, from the business angle. How can they add it to enhance their image in the market?
If they want to upscale their skill, like they already learned something, but they want to upscale their skill.
So what I'm saying is some people might want to start afresh and learn new things. Some people might want to enhance and upscale themselves. So further growth in what they already know. So they will benefit. So interview seekers, we all understand that though clothes are clothes, but men and women had certain peculiar styles. So what we are doing is, the way we planned is to come up with 1 day for men and 1 day for women. So it's an entire day's workshop for men and women, specifically going into their universal styles, their personal styles, and the entire style story. How do they take it to their wardrobe application?
Right. So could you give a little snippets of what we are going to cover in this book?
All right. So, like I was beginning to talk about it. So, we start from the very beginning on the whole conceptual understanding of what is a brand, how do I resonate with it, who am I really? We are we. Nobody is there like us. Who is that I? Who is that we? From gauging that. So, it's a very in-depth, interesting morning where we really realize our strengths and what is our total makeup. And we've got games and fun exercises to build this together. So once you've identified that, we take you on to the next level, wherein how do you build that style? If what resonates with your personal style, how do you build it? How do you learn the clothes and accessories language to match it to yourself? And then further move it down to how do you make outfits out of it? And how do you bring it into capsules? And how do you make a wardrobe? So the entire story from who, like I said, which person lives in your closet?
Right.
So the entire story.
Yeah. So we are going to teach the technical aspects. Plus, there's going to be a lot of practical activities involved. And are we going to give handouts?
Oh yes, there will be handouts, and also additionally, and a very important thing which we missed. So when we say we are applying it to the wardrobe, a lot of time people face problems. Where do I buy things from, or who can do it for me? So we also recommend, we have people coming down for the workshop who are actually producing these clothes. So who are the designers and who work with celebrities and people who we highly recommend. So we're giving you the entire gamut of starting from who to how. I think it adds a lot of value. So we've done certain sessions and we realized that this is what people are really looking. Based on people's needs, we've come up with this program.
So, of course, there's going to be a lot of practical knowledge involved in this whole program as we are taking through the whole journey of the technical, practicing everything, and also how they can customize their clothes perfectly, right? Knowledge from the right brand.
Yes, and also the application. Where do I go? Who do I give it to? So those sorts of questions and introduction to such people who can do it.
So Priyanka, tell me, what are the benefits from this program?
There are a lot of benefits. The first and foremost being that your own brand values, the social value as it is called, whether it's in the professional or personal world, that is enhanced. I wish I could give a number to it, but there's no way we can calculate that really. But say you're looking for a promotion and you're consistent with your style and your brand is established. So what kind of confidence you give to other people that I can conduct the job, or in a social presence. So that's one, the social professional value and the social value that comes along. The second is you're going to save time, energy, money, space, because you know what you want to buy and from who you want to buy it.
Right.
So you're going to make lesser mistakes. So literally you can see your budget move there. Okay. So no more clothes lying at the hangers with labels on. So the chances of errors are reduced. So you have all that time, money, energy, space to spend on something else. Thirdly, the confidence that you get out of being dressed like an outwardly thing is immense. So I would say these three major takeaways definitely people will have from the workshop.
Do you think that they can help other individuals also get better? Like this workshop, will they be able to correct others?
The people coming from the aesthetics field already. Okay, so then they benefit a lot because they learn a proper procedure and technique. So we at London Image Institute are known for our ways and methods. We're technically extremely strong. So none of our things happen just because I like it or intuitively I feel so. There is a strong, solid, logical reason for everything that we suggest. So even for styling, and if you're recommending something for the client, we give a solid information. So people who are in the aesthetics field benefit a lot. So we are providing a certification saying that you've spent a day with us learning personal styling.
Right. So can you give the credibility of this certification to our viewers?
So London Image Institute, we do provide this one-day certification workshop. You know that we run our foundation and advanced programs, like I said before, which are run in India also. So it's the same content that we're teaching in this one-day program. So what we're actually teaching you is highly technical. It's just that with our 30 years of teaching, we've been around for 30 years. Yes, we don't look at that old, but we do. We bring that knowledge and we have systems and measures to educate people that they grasp things and technicality quickly. Of course, you get a manual, of course, you get your handouts, and you can, brush up your information once you've learned from us. So that's the credibility. And there are a lot of our alumni. So in fact, Neha is also an alumni.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, so I've been an alumni of the London Image Institute, and I think the kind of knowledge Lynn Marks provides us, and of course Priyanka Kumar also now, it's on another level, very advanced with a lot of practical knowledge and technical knowledge too. So what did not get from the other institutes, but I would strongly recommend this program is because there's so much involved in this whole program. You know, when you learn and get out of it, you will find a huge difference, not just how you project yourself, but how you could, work on others as well. So we are coming up with this program on the 19th October, 19th and maybe 20th.
Yeah, so I think 18th and 19th is what we were planning, 18th for women and 19th for men in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So thanks to Neam, she's invited us to, we do this program together. So thank you.
Right. So this is going to be a style clinic, which is going to be head by the London Image Institute and with me along with that. So if you're interested, see the link in the description below.
Thank you.
Thank you.